These are the Morimoto XB LED headlights with the LED fog lights as well. These things are super bright. And I'll show you what the sequential turn signals do as well. If you don't like these sequential, you can set it up so it's just instant flash. I do have one issue, though, and that is, I turn my high beam on. The high beam does not light up its LED and the reflector as well, but the entire, all the lights go out. The LEDs on the top. This one works. There's the high beam. But and the high beam and the reflector, it does okay. You can see it just kind of puts up a narrow little spotlight. It's not really the best. I might end up putting a light bar down in the middle down there to make up for that, but love the look of them. I'll show you how bright the DRLs are.
To exercise our greatest privilege, the right to vote. As president, I have no higher duty than to defend the laws.
I'll show you the fog lights by themselves. I've got to get another bracket for that one. In the meantime, I flipped the fog light upside down. It's not quite the same beam pattern. But you can see it's a projector lens in there over the LED. You can tell that the beam pattern is not quite the same on the bottom. That's because I flipped it. Got to get another bracket apparently to make that work. But let me show you. So you can see this is a little bit of illumination by the just the DRLs with the parking lights on, but when you turn them off, they get super bright. They're almost damn, I'd say, brighter than the freaking headlights. It's super bright. You can't, the camera just can't even pick up how bright this is. But it's super bright. This is, of course, for daytime. I mean, it's lighting up my house.